How to verify Facebook page. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Facebook app. Make sure you are logged in to the account that you want to verify. And then click on the menu icon at the top right corner. Click on Help and Support. And then click on Help Center. Search for How to Verify Business Account. And then click on the first option about Request a Verified Badge on Facebook. The verified badge means that Facebook has confirmed that the page or profile is the authentic presence of the individual, public figure, or brand that it represents. To see the eligibility criteria, you can just click on this blue icon. To apply for the verified badge, you can click on Fill in this form. So click on that. So first you have to select what you are verifying, whether it's a page or profile. Next you have to confirm your authenticity. So you have to add an official identification document for yourself or your business to show that your page or profile is connected to the public figure, celebrity, or brand it represents. So you can click on Choose File to upload the document type that you want to. You can click on this arrow to select which document that you want to add. Next, you have to confirm notability. So you have to show that the public figure, celebrity, or brand that your page or profile represents is in the public interest. You can select your category by clicking on this arrow. You can enter your country or region. Selecting your audience is optional, also known as is optional. So you have to add up to 5 articles, social media accounts, and other links that show your page or profile is in the public interest. Paid or promotional content won't be considered. Once you've filled all of this, you can click on Send. And once Facebook has reviewed your form, you'll be able to get verification on your Facebook page. So this is how to verify a Facebook page. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.